Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create thread on your Discord server. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your server on Discord, and I'm going to open up one of my servers. Okay, this one. And if you want to create a thread, you can click on this plus icon and then select create thread. And then you can add the thread name. For example, I'm going to name it discussion. And then you can set private thread if you want. So only people you invite and moderators can see the thread. And you can enter a message to start the conversation. For example, hello, this is where we, hello, here's where we can discuss something, just like this. And then you can also add emoji. I'm going to add this emoji and I'm going to click on enter. And as you can see guys, that the thread has been created. Okay, and this is the thread. And you can send message to the thread like this. And okay guys, that's how you can create a thread on your Discord server. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.